Good afternoon, everyone. I cannot hear the voice. The irony is, every time I was asked to speak in any event, either it comes before the lunch or after the lunch. अगर after the lunch होता है तो लोगों की आवाज़ नहीं निकलती है. So I'll just energize yourself. So everybody has seen that movie, Uri Attack, Vicky Kaushal. Everybody. What was the slogan in that? How is the Josh? Hi, sir. So you have to shout hi, sir, so that the guy standing at the Marine Drive should hear your voice. It should go out of this hotel. How is the Josh? How is the Josh? How is the Josh? Thank you. My name is 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, and I represent Eduvate. You can see on your screen a complete school growth partner. So I come from a sales and marketing background, and whenever I do any presentation, I always want to do that in a form of storytelling. And I've been brought up in that fashion as well. So what is the story behind a complete school growth partner? So when I see Eduvate was started 10 years back, it was started associating with first school in South Bombay called the 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 International School with 250 kids. Right now, we have grown 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 from one school to more than 60 schools in India with more than 50,000 students in a span of 7 to 8 years. That is how we have grown 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲, and that is why we call ourselves as a complete school growth partner. And when the pandemic came, when the entire world was shut down, then a CEO decided that why not we take this offering of Eduvate outside 𝗟𝗶𝗸𝗲 as well. And we started associating with other schools as well. And in the span of 1.5 year span of time, we have onboarded more than 350 schools in India and amounting to more than 1 lakh students pan-India. And we have been growing significantly, targeting to more than 2 lakh students to 3 lakh students this year as well. So these are all the states which we are present currently, and we are expanding across India. So how is this complete school growth solution made? When I say a complete school growth solution, so these are some of the challenges which the school faced during the COVID times. And that's when we realized the importance that how we have to make this product which should help to run the school smoothly, both in terms of technology and both in terms of hybrid learning. So how we have done that in terms of higher impact and higher admissions. So you see on your screen that we have 5 pillars on which we have made this product. The 5 pillars are integrated curriculum, technology platform ERP, parents communication, digital classrooms, marketing, and brand visibility. So these are the 5 pillars when I say we have designed this product. When I come to the first pillar, which is the integrated curriculum. So when I say integrated curriculum, what we are giving in integrated curriculum? So when I say integrated curriculum, in that the complete academic planning, the complete resources required for a teacher to implement this program successfully is there with our offering. Coming on to the books part, we have books right from nursery till grade 8 as per the new education policy 2020. When I say as per the new education policy 2020, I think there are educators sitting here. They must be knowing that now the foundation block has been from nursery till grade 2. And the NEP has said that we have to focus only on literacy and numeracy in the foundation block. So when we have made those books, we have numeracy and literacy in the foundation block. So likewise, we have all the books, and they are divided into 4 volumes. In the morning today, I was listening to the Honorable Education Minister, and he emphasized on the fact that the Ministry of HRD says that the bag weight of the children should also has to be controlled. So why we have divided books into 4 volumes, that is one of the reasons for that. So that the books are thin, the workbooks are thin, and the child can easily carry those books and workbooks into the school. And in terms of assessments also, the teachers are more focused. Coming on to the learning kits part, and I think this is one of the USPs which we have. So the learning kits are now also as per the new education policy 2020, they have mentioned that the education should be in a way of playway method, or an experiential learning should be there. What we mean by experiential learning, or what we mean by playway method, that all the activities which are there in the book, they have to be in terms of with the learning kits as well. So when I say learning kits, we have numeracy and literacy learning kit in pre-primary. We have maths and science kit from grade 1 to 8. And these kits are for each and every child. Every child will be getting one learning kit for every subject. So when the child will be getting these learning kits, and I will show you some of the videos also, you can see at the stall as well, these learning kits are totally aligned with the content in the books as well. So the learning kits is one of the things. Then we have the e-books and the interactive books. All the books as well as the interactive books which have simulations and animated videos are present in our ERP as well. Coming on to the videos and presentations, we have the entire content, the digital content as well, aligned with all the books as well as the workbooks. And the examination support, we are giving a question bank of more than 3 lakh questions in our ERP, where every school can design their own question paper, and they can design it as per the Bloom's taxonomy as well. So these are part of the integrated curriculum. When we come on to the technology ERP, I have seen during the COVID times that teachers were struggling to learn how to use Zoom, how to learn Google Meet or Microsoft Teams. So what we believe that this type of pandemic can come anytime in future as well. So the schools have to be ready with the technology part. And I think what is the punchline of this event as well? Hybrid learning. What we mean by hybrid learning? That we have to adapt both offline as well as online methods of teaching. So that's where we come from, that we have the complete technology ERP integrated with a curriculum, so you don't have to search for videos, PPT anywhere. Every teacher will be having an ERP login and password with them. When I say parents communication, I think this is also one of the important tools. So every parent will be getting a parent app from our side where they can track their attendance, assessments, circulars, or whatsoever. In COVID time as well, there were a lack of communication between the school and the parent, and that's where schools struggled to collect the fees from the parents as well. The communication between the parent and the school has to be proper. Coming on to the digital classroom, what we are giving, so we are giving LEDs to all the classrooms which we are signing up, which will be in some ratio with the students, and we are giving tablets to every teacher. Have you ever seen that an IT guy going into an office is going with his personal laptop and doing that duties? No. Why should teacher not be given any professional tool from school side to perform his or her personal duties? मैंने देखा है बहुत सारे schools, बहुत सारे teachers अपने personal mobile phone से online classes conduct करती थी. पीछे से phone आता था, अब phone rings from back, and that online classes were interrupted. Don't you think that every teacher from the school side should be given a tool to perform his or her professional duties? So what we are giving tablets to each and every teacher, because what we believe that teachers are backbone of any school, and that's how centric our program will be. So we are giving digital classrooms in terms of tablets and LEDs. Coming on to the marketing and visibility, what we believe is that whenever any school has to grow, there has to be some marketing activity which has to be involved with them. So whenever we are signing with any school, we are setting up an experience center inside the school. What is this experience center all about? This experience center will be having the tablet, LED, all books and kits inside that experience center, so that whenever any parent is coming for an admission inquiry into the school, the academic counselor can take the parent to the experience center, show them what their child will be getting for next year to increase the admission. So that is also one of the tools. We will be doing video shoot and giving brochures as well, where schools can print those brochures or can circulate it on the social media platform as well. So this is with respect to the integrated curriculum and other things. As I told you, we have this award-winning learning kits in literacy and numeracy in pre-primary, and maths and science in primary, and these are all STEM accredited learning kits. So This is one of the learning kits in LKG, which is the literacy. So this is how the learning kit will look like. And this is the numeracy in pre-primary. Can we have the video? So this is a glimpse of the numeracy and literacy kit in pre-primary. This is a science kit for grade 8. Just give you a glimpse of that as well. Just to tell you that when COVID came and entire India was locked down, we sold more than 5 lakh kits directly to parents, because that time the screen time of the children were increasing, they were stuck to their phones, and we were getting queries from parents that how we have to reduce the screen time of child. And that time we have taken a call and we have started distributing these learning kits directly to parents. The best part about this kit is it comes with an entire manual where you can scan the barcode, you can perform the activities, and again I'm repeating that all these activities are in line with the book, what is present inside the book. Along with that, we are giving one beautiful program of public speaking also, along with a curriculum. This is one of the unique programs which we have, where what we have done that we are training children right from pre-primary grades how to speak in front of public. The child can be good in any language, whether it is English, Hindi, or their mother tongue, whether it is Marathi, Kannada, Tamil, Punjabi, Bhojpuri, whatsoever. But whenever it comes to speaking in front of public, every child shivers. Whenever you hear Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi, everyone says that he's a good public speaker. So that's how we want to inculcate those activities also in the children as well. So that is also one of the unique programs which we have. And I was hearing a debate on Marathi in the morning session when Honorable Minister was there. And I think someone raised this point that Marathi should not be made compulsory in grade 10 and all. The only point is why the child in grade 8, 9 or 10 start fearing from Marathi, because in grade 1 to 5, we have not focused on that language. And that is why that fear starts developing in the child and it gets generated into 8, 9 and 10. So what we have done, we have come up with this very beautiful book called the Samanantar book. The Samanantar, the English version is trilingual. What is this trilingual all about? So this trilingual is having an approach to read, speak and learn, speak and write in grade 1 and 2, where we teach 3 different languages, English, Hindi and Marathi at one go. This book has been appreciated a lot in many educational forums, and this is one of the unique books which we have from grade 1 to 3, where we focus on 3 skills: listening, speaking and reading. The writing comes after grade 3. So this is all about a core curriculum program which we have. Coming on to the next program which we have is the computer science, coding and robotics program, which involves error modeling, AI and ML as well. This program, we have made it from grade 1 to 9. As you know, the new education policy 2020 coming in, and as the Honorable Minister also said, that after next 10 years, India will have surplus manpower to give it to other countries. The first NEP before this was made in 1986. That time I was 2 years old. Then the NEP came after 34 years in 2020. So this NEP, which was made in 2020, this was made keeping in what India will be in 2050. India, I think I was reading day before yesterday, that India will become the second biggest economy in the world by 2047, after you can say US or China. So India will be giving surplus manpower to other countries. So this robotics program which we have, this is divided into 2 parts. First term, we will be teaching computer science and coding, and the second terms, we will be teaching robotics and aero modeling. And it is an inline program with the curriculum where we will be teaching teachers and we will be certifying teachers from our side so that they can teach students the computer science coding. This is one of the unique programs in India where the teachers are trained, because what we believe that we have to be teacher-centric. We have to upskill the teachers also as well as the students as well. And believe me guys, there will be many coding and robotics companies in India which are evolving these days. But if you guess the price of this offering, it comes to around 180 rupees to 220 rupees per child per month. An auto rickshaw person or a sweeper can also dream to have the knowledge of coding and robotics for his child. And that is how we have made this program, that it should reach the last mile in India. So I have last AV on this program, and I will wrap up for today. Thank you so much.
Hi, future makers, educators. We understand how hectic running a school must be. So much data, so many tasks, and so many updates by the National Education Policy too. We get you, although all you wish for is to provide the best learning experience to your students. Updating as per the new policies can be a bit tedious, especially the latest one, wherein the National Education Policy (NEP) recommends introducing robotics and coding in school education. So, how do you plan to go about it? No, you don't have to grill your mind or invest a huge sum on it. You just got an easy way out with Eduvate. Eduvate, India's leading curriculum provider, is the one-stop solution to all your queries. Eduvate has been running the robotics and coding curriculum for 3 glorious and successful years. So, you can blindly rely on this program with features like curated curriculum for the entire year from grade 1 to 9. Focused on STEM activity-based learning, helping students understand concepts in a fun and engaging way. Ideate, tinker, and construct robots. Eduvate's robotics and computer science curriculum is even divided into different categories based on the students' level of understanding and their grasping power.
Thank you, Mr. Achin Kapoor. And here I would like to invite Mr. Manmeet to kindly felicitate Mr. Achin Kapoor. Yes, these are the kind of creative solutions that we need. So yes, technology is a double-edged sword. If we use it judiciously, then it can create magic.